Press the middle button to hear the horn. Double press the middle button to change the horn sound.
Long press the left button until you hear the tone to activate the lock alarm.
Shaking or bumping will sound the alarm. Long press the right button to stop the alarm. Open the rubber cover to see the micro charging port. So easy to set up. I love the aesthetic of this electric horn. It looks both stylish and functional. This electric horn features a powerful 140 decibels horn and a 300 decibels security alert sound, making it loud enough for street use.